So here we go. Ready to do some cucumber transplanting. This is Joe at Cosmic Gardens Farmstead. I'm going to be transplanting some cucumber seedlings today. Usually I would say that you would wait until the cucumber seedlings have their first leaves come out, and I would say about, maybe 6 inches. And what I would do is I would plant them into the pots a little deeper than what that stem is. These stems have been growing long on these seedlings. So the first thing I'm going to do is put some soil in these pots. I got some little pots here. I want to put some soil in there so that when you put the roots in, they have contact with the soil. And then we'll put a little more soil in there as we go along. Can you see me? All right. So I got a little popsicle stick, and I'm going to take out some of these. I got 2. I'm going to put them in. And that's what it's looking like now. So I'm going to put some more soil in. And I would say that looks really good. I'll do another one. I usually try to put 2 or 3, and this is just transplanting into a smaller pot so that they can grow bigger, and then I will put them in the bigger pots. So here's another one, and you notice how I put them a little deeper, and then you've transplanted cucumbers. Then you got to water them. Give them just a little water. Be careful not to, blow down the little plant. Don't put water on top of the plant. And there you go, transplanting cucumbers.